Good morning everyone, teacher Everson here once again with you, and today it is, well, now it's 20 to 8, almost 8 o'clock sharp. São quase 8 horas em ponto. Ponto final, ponto de ônibus, ponto do braço. What's the difference? So wait, we're going to see some differences between ponto in Portuguese and ponto in English. Come here, I'll show you. Very interesting. In English, so when you suffer an accident that the doctor makes the sewing here. So when you suffer an accident, in Portuguese we say pontos, but in English it is stitches. When you see just a mark in the sky, like a star, a far away star, uma estrela muito distante, you see only a dot in the sky. Você vê só pontinho lá no céu. How do we say? A spot, só ponto. This is a spot. Where you take the bus, there's a bus passing by here, my neighborhood, my house now. So this is a bus stop. Bus stop for us in Portuguese, ponto. When you see the score in your team when they're playing basketball, where play something, there is the in English scores, but in Portuguese again, ponto, o ponto do jogo, the score of the game. When you finish to write a sentence, you finish with a spot, but it's not a spot, the name is period. Again, ponto. When you enter a website, example, www.teachereverson.blogspot.com is one example of a website, which is a very good one. Okay, so in Portuguese, again, ponto. See, many ways to say the same thing in Portuguese, but in English with a different meaning. Okay, totally different actually, right? And just to remember, here in my channel, the Blogspot, so you're gonna find more clues, more hints. The address is very easy. teachereverson.blogspot.com. Okay guys, thank you very much and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!